Indybest, reviewing ASMR sounds from keyboards. Logitech has sent us 4 keyboards with different sound qualities. We're going to try out typing with them. This one is the Pop Keys wireless keyboard, and it even comes with custom emoji keys at the end. It's in the colour lavender. This is the MX Mechanical Mini. It's called Minimalist, very small and compact. This is a very serious